Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Just kidding, I actually had to turn the camera on, so I knew you were there. 7 a.m. on Saturday. Trying to decide what I want to do today. In-N-Out Burger sounds so good today. Actually, I wonder where the nearest one is. Let's Google it. Three hours and 15 minutes. That'd be kind of cool. All right, honestly, I'm down, but I kind of want to see if Doug is interested too. So I'm gonna give him a call. I'm gonna see if he's awake. It's like a 7-hour drive just for a burger, so I don't know if he's gonna be down. I wonder if he's awake.
Hey, what's up?
Did I wake you?
Probably like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, what's good?
I just randomly Googled how far away the closest In-N-Out Burger is. Right now, Google Maps says 3 hours and 15 minutes.
What are you proposing here, Mr. Fitz?
We've got nowhere to be today. We just drive down there, get an In-N-Out Burger, and then see where we end up. You down?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, dude.
Give me like 40.
You want me to pick you up at 8?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll be there.
Alright, see you then.
All right, man. I'll see you in 40.
Bye.
All right, bye. We're doing it. 7 hours for an In-N-Out Burger.
I must be tough, I must behave, I must keep fighting. Don't give it up, I want to keep.
Okay, so I know what the thought is. Oh, getting in the car for 7 hours close to your friends. That's not social distancing. Well,
Sense that you've been hiding. Where are you taking me? I can't be blamed. I want you, don't want me again.
that'll do. That's what we're doing.
Or is it love that I'm feeling for you? I want desire. 'Cause your love only gets me.
First stop, Party Town. Copy. Party Town.
'Cause your love only gets me. Cause your love only gets me.
Rest stop number 1.
Complete.
Complete. We've got an hour and a half left. 104 miles.
I want to show you what you've been missing. Am I enough to keep your other lovers hidden?
There you go.
So, I'm pretty sure this is the In-N-Out line.
Oh man.
So, we are in stadium parking lot where the line starts for In-N-Out. I'm thinking we're at least an hour out.
Is it desire? Or is it love that I'm...
Jonah and Doug have gone on some sort of adventure to find a bathroom. Not sure where they went or when they're coming back.
Where are we going?
We're going Potty Town.
Okay. Don't know what's on your mind.
Man, it's crazy. I never thought I'd be so famous for finding bathrooms in various places, but it's cool to be where I am today, and I'm just proud, and I want to thank my followers. We'll talk.
We should ask that guy how long it's gonna be.
About how long it'll be.
Couple hours probably.
Couple hours?
Yeah.
See you in a sec.
Is it possible for you guys to run out of food?
No.
All right, good.
Oh, we're moving.
Yeah, baby.
We are moving.
Baseball. So we just need one more. Thoughts? We're walking down the In-N-Out line in a pink flamingo.
Done.
It's been 1 hour and we haven't moved in at least 10 minutes. We're moving.
No way.
We're finally moving.
Getting a lot of compliments on Ryan's tarp here.
Yep.
People are loving it.
People like the social distancing.
Yeah.
You know where the nearest pool is?
We found the guys.
You guys know where the nearest pool is? I want to go for a swim. Is it worth the wait, guys? Is it pretty good? Yeah? Not bad. How long did you guys have to wait?
3 hours.
Oh!
Yeah, not bad.
So this is where it starts? Yeah. So that's where it ends? Yeah. Hey, there she is!
So the question is, if we can put this in the car.
We have ordered.
Ordered the food!
Ordered.
We ready to chow.
Thank you.
Yeah, LOSTBOYZ.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Not yet, no.
Oh, yes. So good.
Let me get it all set up. There's a lot of layers.
Oh. Dang.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
Decided to take a little stop on our way back through Portland at little viewpoint lookout. So hopefully the view's good. We're gonna get the drone up in the air, aren't we?
Yeah. Are we gonna look like we're on a little planet?
Yeah, I can make it look like we're on a planet. We're gonna fly the drone and it's gonna look cool.
So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go. Let you go.
Good work.
So Jorgen just walked a mile to go to the bathroom.
Nature called and I couldn't resist the call.
There's one literally right there. He walked a mile that way.
Got my steps in, I guess.
Well, we're calling it a day and just headed home. There's nothing really more for us to do or more for you to see besides being in the car for 3 more hours. So we're gonna call it and end it with this drone shot. See you next time.
It's been fun.
Boys.
Is it desire, or is it love that I'm feeling for you? I want desire. I wanna see what you're willing to lose. 'Cause your love only gets me.
Fries from the French.
I think one of the lost
Fries from the French. Fries from the French. Huh?
Fries from the French. Fries from the French.
Mr. Fry from the French, where'd you go?
Ketchup, mayonnaise, everybody know.
A lost boy is lost, we don't know where he go.
Where does he go? Ho, ho, ho.